Tucker, where are you going? What? No. Come on. Yeah, hi. Hey, Kobe. You guys, that's not even our apartment. Tucker. No. You can't go in. Tucker, you're such a slut. No, not there either. Oh, no, that's bad. I don't like that. I like the music, Tucker. It really goes. No one will be seated in the thrilling Tucker sequence. No, don't go under there. You butt. Yeah, that's real good, Tucker. No. No. No, don't go up the stairs. Don't. Go back down the hallway. Go. Go. No. Hi, Toby. What, Tucker? Come on. Toby, where are you going? Where are you going, mister? Oh, crap. Hey! Oh, I'm telling Toby. What? Oh, now all of a sudden you like it out here, huh? He's like, Tucker gets to come out here. Yeah, you've never been out here, buddy. Toby. What? Toby. What are you doing? Oh, now you're low. You want to go back in? Come on, Toby. Toby. What? Toby. What is it, Toby? No, you can't go there. You can't go there. No, that's right. Don't mess with the expensive stuff. No, no, don't go under there. Oh, here, Tucker. Toby, come here. Oh, hi. Toby, what is it? Oh, you're weird. Come on.